Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall n8n. All right. So if you have installed n8n globally with npm, here's what you'd want to do. All right. Go ahead and go to your search bar and type in cmd. Right here, the regular command prompt. Now you're going to want to type in npm space uninstall -g space n8n. All right. Hit on enter. As you can see here, it is not available for me because I'm using the Docker. Okay, right here. So if you have installed it via Docker, just type in docker space stop space n8n. Hit on enter. As you can see here, it says connection lost right here on my local host. So going back to cmd, let's just type in docker space rm space n8n. All right, just go ahead and hit on enter. And it says here error response from daemon, no such container, which is named n8n. All right, so let's just go ahead and check it out on our Docker right here. All right, we're going to go back and here's the name of our containers. For example, brave_more. I'm going to type in docker space rm space brave_more. Brave_more. Hit enter. And as you can see here, as fast as that specific container has been deleted as well. That's basically how to do it. All right. If you are running n8n using yarn, here's what you're going to type. Yarn space global space remove space n8n, or the current name that is in here. All right. And that's how you uninstall n8n. If you want to uninstall Docker, it is pretty easy. Just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in add or remove program. Click on it. Now go ahead and look for Docker right here. Click on 3 dots and hit on uninstall. Once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.